Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you to download and install CanoScan LiDE 300 driver in your personal computer. Here I have the CanoScan LiDE 300 scanner. Let me connect it with the computer. I have plugged in the cable. Now let me take you to my computer screen. Now first of all, open any web browser and search CanoScan LiDE 300 driver download and hit enter. The first one I entered Canon support is the official website to download the driver. You can see the download button. You can also see the specification and operating system in which it works, and now click on download. The file is start to download. The downloaded file is available in the downloads folder. Now double click on the setup file and click on yes, and the file starts to extract. After completing the extraction, the setup will start. Now click on setup, click on next. It will take some time to complete the download and installation. Click on yes to accept the license agreement and click on agree. Now the scanner is connected with the USB cable. You need to disconnect it and click on next after disconnecting. Again, it will take some time to install the scan gear. Now again connect the scanner to the computer and wait for a moment. The computer will detect and the setup is complete here. Now click on exit. A getting started web page will be displayed. Now let me close this. You can read the instruction from here also. Now click on start and search IJScan utility. You can place it on the taskbar. It will be easier. And let me show you by scanning a document. First of all, I will place a document in my scanner and I'll close it and click on the PDF, that is scan document. It will take some moment to scan the document. If you want to scan the next page, you can click on scan, or you can press exit to complete the scan. Now the scan document it can be viewed. So this is how you can install CanoScan LiDE driver in your personal computer. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.